Hello guys, I'm back with a new video, hopefully a better video on virtual DJ. So again, I'm gonna explain you how you can use your headphone and speakers so you can hear the first track through the speakers of your computer while you can listen to the second track through your headphone. So what we're gonna do is, this one is playing. I'm gonna put this one also on play. So this one is playing, and after this video I will show you how you can hear this one through the speakers. Okay, I'm gonna press pause and I'm gonna show you what you need. You need two sound cards. I have a picture of the external sound card. Okay, so you need two sound cards. Normally you have one in your computer or on your motherboard of your computer or laptop, and the second one you will need to buy, or you have to buy. You have a cheap option. There's this one. There's also the one that I have. I think it's cost me €5. It's the same in dollar. And you have a bit more expensive option than this one, but just start with this one. It's you don't lose many money, so it's for a beginner it's the best option. Okay, so this is the external USB sound card. Just put the headphone here, and then you can plug the external sound card with the USB connection into your computer. Okay, so this is this part of the explanation. First, didn't go to virtual DJ. No, I'm going to show you a very important thing. Also, you have to change the setting of your of the configuration of your sound card of the computer. This is the configuration of the speakers. It's in Dutch, but in English it says configuration of speaker or speakers. Normally it's on stereo, but you have to change it to quadraphonisch. Can I make it a little bit sharper? Yes. So configuration of the speakers, normally it's on stereo, but you have to change it to quadraphonisch 5.1 or 7.1, depending on the sound card of your computer. When you don't change this and it stays on stereo, it will not work. It will not work on virtual DJ. So just change it to quadraphonisch. When it doesn't work, change it to 5.1 or to 7.1 again, depending on the sound card of your computer. So this is put it on quadraphonisch of course, and then we go to virtual DJ. Just the settings. This is virtual DJ 8 with the latest update. I think the layout of earlier versions is slightly different, but the explanation stays the same. So open the control panel or the settings panel or configuration screen of virtual DJ, and I'll show you. So two sound cards, two sound cards, and output is the speaker and the headphone. The two different outputs is the master or the speakers, so the sound card of your computer, and then the headphone is the external sound card, the USB sound card, which I showed you earlier. So that are the settings. Now I'm just gonna show you how it all works. I'm just gonna show you. I have the headphone already plugged in, so I'm gonna press play, and you hear track B through the speakers. When I press play here, the sound is coming from the other track through the headphone. So I hope you can hear it. I'm gonna put a little bit louder so you can hear it. This track A, is playing through the headphone, while track B is playing through the speakers. Of course you can change it. You do like this. You can hear track A through the speakers, while track B is playing now through the headphone. So it's a short video, but I think I said all that needed to be set. So buy an external second sound card, change the settings of your sound card of your computer to quadraphonies or 5.1, 7.1, depending on which sound card you have. Just then you change the settings on VirtualDJ, and that should be it. When it doesn't work the first time, just keep trying, don't give up. And I hope this video is a big help for you. I thank you for watching, and see you later, guys. Bye.